these are the different figures that appears here, okay, or you can call them polygons that appear in this given diagram. Clear? That means if we're able to find out the area of this one, area of 2, 3, 4, 5, and simultaneously add all of them, we will be able to easily find the total area of the paper used. Clear with that? Therefore, the first thing I would do is let's mark our givens. Okay, so I'll write this as A, I'll write this as B, and I'll write this as C. Then I'll write this as D and E, okay, and then F and G, and then H, I, J, K. Okay, up to this much. I hope we're clear what the graphs look like. I'm just naming them so that we can easily find out whatever areas we're trying to find out. Okay, clear? Clear with this. Now you look at this. Okay, let's first look at this. Look at this. If this is 5 centimeter, this becomes 5 centimeter. Try to logically think. Okay, we're trying to build up a plane, so the plane cannot have different measurements, because if the front is, the measurements are different, okay, if AC is different from AB, then the plane will not take off. Just try to think that in that way. Okay, so this will have the same measurements. Also, if you look at this, if this is 1 centimeter, then this should also be 1 centimeter. Clear with that? Now this is what? This is the wing of the plane. The wing will also have the same measurement. That means this must be 6 centimeter and this must be 1.5 centimeter. Clear with this? Okay. Now if this is 6.5, this should also be 6.5 centimeter. So I'll just consider solution. I will say the first area. So for area 1, what is area 1? Area 1 is area of triangle ABC, right? This is the first area we're getting. I'm just going to be drawing here. This is the first area that we're getting, which is A, C, and B. And this is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, and this is 1. And already, this is already labeled as 1. Okay, so this is our area of 1. Now, let's look at this. AB is equal to 5 centimeter. AC is equal to 5 centimeter, and BC is equal to 1 centimeter. Clear? So you can write this as A is equivalent to 5 centimeter, B is equivalent to 5 centimeter, C is equivalent to 1 centimeter. Therefore, S, okay, is A plus B plus C by 2. Now, if you remember, this is Heron's formula, right? What is S? S means semi-perimeter. It also means half of perimeter. Clear? We're using this formula because we do not know the height of the triangle. Clear? So we can use this, and we can use this formula because we know the measures. We know the measures of all the sides of the 3 triangles. Clear? So you can write this as 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 1 centimeter divided by 2. That should give you 11 centimeter by 2. Now you divide this. It's 5.5 centimeter. Let me do the division for you here. Okay, you have 2 divided by 11. 2 into 5 is 10. You're left with 1, 0, and then 1. So 5 into 5 will give you 10. So 5.5 centimeter. Clear? So now we'll go with the next part. Now let's find the area of, what we have to find? We have to find the area of triangle ABC. Clear up to this much? And what is the area of a triangle using Heron's formula? It is S of S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. What did we get for S? We got our S as 5.5 centimeter, right? And then for our A, what is it? 5.5 minus 5 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, S minus B becomes 5.5 minus 5 centimeter. Okay. And then S minus C becomes 5.5 minus 1 centimeter. Okay. So you can take the square root of this. Okay. So you can write this centimeter, 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 centimeter as centimeter to the power 4. Clear? Now 5.5, keep it as it is. 5.5 minus 5 will give you 0.5. Okay, you do the subtraction here. 5.5 minus 5. Okay, so this becomes, it's understood that there's a 0 here. You forget about this. 5.0. Clear with this? Into again 0.5, and 5.5 minus 1 will give you 4.5. Okay, here instead of multiplying, what I'll do is we'll try to write these numbers in terms of fractions. Clear? So how do I write these numbers in terms of fractions? I can write this as 55 divided by 10 into 5 by 10. into 5 by 10 into 4.5 by 10. Oh, sorry, not 4.5. It should be 45 by 10, right? 45 by 10, clear? And this becomes centimeter to the power 4. Now you look at this. Can I write 555 as 5 into 11 by 10 into 5 by 10 into 5 by 10 into 45? Can I write it as 3 into 3 into 5 by 10 centimeter to the power 4? Now you look at this. So let's pair them up, okay? Take all the pairs together. So 5 and 5 by 10. Can I write it as 5 by 10 the whole thing square into, what is this, 3 into 3? Can I write it as 3 square into, what is left again? Can I write 5 by 10? This, you focus on this, 5 by 10, and look at this, 5 by 10. Can I write this like that? 5 by 10 the whole thing square. And what is left? 11 is left, and you can write centimeter to the power 4 as centimeter square into square. Clear? So you cancel out all of this, okay? You can cancel them out. Clear? So you'll be left with 5 by 10 into 3, okay, into 5 by 10 root 11 centimeter square. Clear? So you take the multiplication, 5 into 3, 15, 15, okay, let me use a laser pen for that. 5 into 3, 15, 15 into 5, how much? 75, and 10 into 10 becomes 100. So I can write this as, the next slide, I can write this as 75 by 100 root 11. Now I've already taught you how to, you can refer the previous video, okay, to find out how to find the value of this. So 75, can I write it as 0.75 into 11, can be written as 3.3 centimeters square. So you take the multiplication of this, you'll be getting this as 2.75, okay. The way to go for this multiplication is, first just ignore the decimal points, just write 75 into 35, clear? And 33. So 5 into 3 is 15, 1, 7 into 3, 21, 22, 5 into 3, 15, 1, 7 into 3, 21, plus 1, 22. So what do you get? You get 5, 7, 4, and 2. Now you see how many digits are there after the decimal points. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then this is the third one. So 3, okay? So there will be a 3 place after the decimal point. There will be 3 digits after the decimal point. So this becomes the first answer. Clear? Now you look at the second area, okay? I will not go back and forth, but you keep on referring to the you refer the given graph, okay, the diagram, the area. Therefore now for area 2, now if you focus on area 2, what does area 2 looks like? It's a rectangle, right? My graph is not proper, my diagram is not proper, but okay, it's understood. So this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So this is a rectangle, a proper rectangle, okay? So what is the, okay, and what is this going to be? I have named this as B, C, H and I, right? H, I. Therefore, this is area of rectangle. What rectangle is this? B, C, H, I. Okay, clear with this, of rectangle. Therefore, what is the length here? Length here is both IC equal to BH, and this is both equal to 6.5 centimeter, and the breadth is the same as IH. This is going to be equal with BC, and these are both 1 centimeter. Clear? Therefore, area of rectangle BCHI is what? Length into breadth. Okay, length into breadth. Clear? So what is the length here? Length is 6.5 centimeter and the breadth is 1 centimeter. So when you multiply them, what do you get? 6.5 centimeter square. Clear? Okay, now let's go for the third area. Now area of 3 is what? It is area of this is a trapezium. Okay, now let me tell you another important thing about trapezium. It is I, H, J and K. Clear? So this is what a trapezium looks like. Okay, see, you look at this, this is what a trapezium looks like. Okay, and this is given as I. Okay, sorry for that. This is given as I, this is H, this is J and this is K. And what is the value that is already there? This is given as 2 centimeter, this is given as 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter, and this is 1 centimeter. We know that, right? Now using a triacy, okay, now here we can say that IH is parallel to KJ. Okay, so since they are parallel, you can draw like this. Okay, you can draw another triangle in the form. Clear? So what happens is that when you draw this triangle, okay, you look focus. Okay, let me just draw one by one. Okay, maybe you'll understand that better. Okay, now see, I'll just show you something. Okay, so I'll construct this. Okay, and I'll say this is HK. Oh no, HY. Okay, okay, so construct HY parallel to IK. Clear? See, H laser. Okay, let me use a laser pen for that. I have constructed the line HY and this is parallel to IK. Clear? Up to this much. Now I'll draw another line. Okay, that is IY. Okay, so I have construct here IY which is parallel to HJ. Okay, so you look at this, I have constructed IY, this is parallel to which line? Don't focus on this line, focus with this line. HJ is parallel to IY. Clear? So if the lines are parallel, that means that is HY must also be equal to IK and IY must also be equal to HJ. Clear? That means this must also be 1 centimeter, this must also be 1 centimeter. Clear? Now see this line. Okay, so what happened to this line? This will also be divided. Okay, so KY will be 1 centimeter, therefore KJ, the line KJ is, how do you find KJ? You find it out by KY plus YJ, and KY plus this one will be, okay, so you look at this, therefore, okay, clear with this? There are other ways to do it, but I think this is the easiest way to go about. Okay, so KY is equivalent to 1 centimeter and YJ is also equivalent to 1 centimeter. That means this given line Y has divided the line KJ into 2 equal parts. Clear? Alright, so you see, if KY is 1 centimeter and YJ is 1 centimeter, what do you get? 1 centimeter. Now the triangles, now, okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Now the triangles formed are, you see, triangle HYJ, triangle HIY and triangle IKY. And if you noticed, all this is because this is also 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Now look at this, all of them are equilateral triangle, are all equilateral triangle. Clear? Therefore area of the 3 equilateral triangle. Now what is the area of an equilateral triangle? It is root 3 by 4 a square. What is a square in the case of this? A square means side square. Okay, side square. But we're talking about the area of 3 equilateral triangle. Okay, so we can write this as 3. Clear? So we'll be getting this as 3 into root 3 by 4 1 centimeter square. Clear? Okay, 1 centimeter, the whole thing square. So I'll be getting this as 3 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. Okay, clear up to this much? All right, now again here we have to find the value of root 3. Okay, so again you find it out yourself. Root 3 value is 1.73. Clear? Okay, you can refer the previous video of how to find out these values. Okay, so you multiply this. Okay, 1.73 into 3 would be 5.19 divided by 4 centimeters square. You divide 5.19 with 4, so you get 1.297 centimeters square. Okay, so that means 4 into 5.19, so 4 into 1 4. You're left with this, so put a point here since you already have a point. 4 times 2s are 8, so you're left with 3 9. 4 9s are 36, so you're left with 3. 4 7s are 28, and it will keep on going. Okay, and in fact it will stop exactly at this point, so you can just take one more value. Okay, you cannot stop it. You go up to this because you get 4 into 5 as 20. Clear? So this is the value. Okay, this is not the approximate value, this is the actual value. Clear? Now we'll go with the last value. Now you see your triangle. Okay, you focus on the given diagram. Okay, I'll not go back and forth. So area of 4 is going to be the same as area of 5 because they have the same measurement. Clear? That means area of what is area of 4? It is area of triangle CFG. Okay, area of CFG, this must be equal to area of triangle. Which triangle? BDE. Clear? Now you look up. In the next slide I'll show you what the triangles look like. So this is the triangle, one triangle, okay, and this is the other triangle, right? So they are the same. Okay, same measurement because this is also 6 centimeter. Okay, this is 6 centimeter and this is also 6 centimeter, and this is 1.5 centimeter, and this is also 1.5. So they have the same measurement. Clear? This is C, G, F, and this is B, D, and E. Now you look at this triangle. I'll try to draw like this so you can understand. Okay, I'm trying to draw this. Now you look at this. What does this become? So the base here is B and D is what? 6 centimeter, and B and E is what? 1.5 centimeter. So now you know the base and the height of a triangle. Therefore you can write area of triangle CFG is equal to half into base into height. Clear? I'm able to use this formula because I know the base, which is 1.5. I know the height of the triangle, which is 6 centimeters. So half into 1.5 centimeter into 6 centimeter. So 2 into 3 times are 6. Now 15 into 3, you do the multiplication, you'll be getting this as 15 into 3 is 45. There's a point here, so 4.5 centimeters square. Therefore area of 4 plus area of 5, you have to add them. Okay, that means it's both the same. So 45 centimeters square plus 4.5 centimeters square, and this will give you 9 centimeters square. Clear? See, I've given here area of CFG is equal to area of BDE. That means area of 4 is equal to area of 5. Clear? So I'm adding this. Okay, therefore you can finally write here for area of the plane. Okay, of the plane is area of 1 plus area of 2 plus area of 3 plus area of 4 and plus area of 5. Okay, so what do you get for this? What is area of 1? It is 2.475 centimeters square. Area of 2 is 6.5 centimeters square. Area of 3 is what is the area of 3? Let's go back and let me refer to 1.2975 1.2975 centimeters square, and area of 4 plus area of 5 is 9 centimeters square. Okay, all right, now let me rub this, okay, and then I'll write it back here. Clear up to this much? Okay, so okay, so the values, okay, let's see. So the values will give you, okay, let's add them up. Okay, clear with that? We'll add them up. Okay, so 2.475, let's add them up. 2.47 plus 5 plus 6.5 plus 1.2975, right? Yes, 2975, okay, plus 9. So let's add them up. So this is 5, this becomes 2, so 9, 10, 17, 1, 5, 10, 12, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 19 point. So what are you getting? You're getting 19.2725 centimeters square. So I can approximate this to 19.27. So you can approximate this as 3 centimeters square and write this as approximated value. Okay, this is approximate. We're just taking the approx value. Okay, approximate value means not the exact value but close. Okay, very close to that value. That's what we mean by approximate. Okay, so whenever you're taking such values, be careful. Clear? Now in your exam, see, in your answer script they have given it as 19.4, but it does not really make any difference. Clear with that? Okay, it will not make any difference. Okay, 19